Good morning, students. We are going to complete our chapter light, and today we will discuss the last topic of chapter light, that is visual impairment. Students, you know that nature has given us eye to view this colorful world around us, and this is the very you can say effective gift from God or from nature. Then what happens to those people who cannot see? So the people who are unable to see are called visually challenged people. They have their eyes, but due to some defect the image is not sent to the brain, and brain cannot identify what is happening around them. This visually challenged people, or you can say visual impairment, are of two types: curable, incurable. Let us discuss first curable. By the meaning only your understanding means cure. So what happens to this people? In this curable impairment, either the cornea or the eye lens becomes opaque. Opaque is that medium which does not allow the light to pass through it, and cornea is the front eyeball, that black color we are seeing, which allow the light to pass inside the eye. Both this can be cured because now medical science, it has been improved a lot, and they are doing many experiments to cure this. So let's see how we can cure it. First one, the opaque cornea can be surgically replaced, or you can say by operations, doing operations, the cornea is replaced and same cornea is transplanted to that people, that is also called as corneal transplantation, and person able to see easily. Second one, the opaque eye lens is surgically replaced by an artificial lens. In our general life, we are also seeing that a person is having a problem, they are going to doctor, then doctor is replacing the eye lens, and person can easily able to see that. So by operations, they are able to view the colorful world. Next to come incurable. Incurable, that means it is not cured, it cannot be rectified, nothing is being done because that problem is by birth. Or it may happen that accidentally it may cause also after birth. So permanent impairment, the image formed on the retina cannot be transmitted to brain. As image is not transmitted to brain, naturally how brain will interpret what we will see and what we will not see. So there is a great problem in that cases. So for this, visually challenged people are provided with additional resource that enables them to develop their capabilities, and that capabilities are we can say that they are according to their abilities, that what type of their eyes, how much it has strain, how much it has energy, everything, by seeing that whatever the cells has been damaged or not damaged, many things the doctors are seeing. So for this, their resources are optical and no optical aids. These resources. So optical aids, generally we are using bifocal lenses, contact lenses, tinted lenses, magnifiers, telescope aids, many things. Lenses rectify their visual limitations and let them unable to see that. When we have studied myopia and hypermetropia, same thing was there, that whatever our visual capabilities was there, how much we can able to see by seeing that doctor giving us that whether it is required concave lens or convex lens. And next, no optical aids that we can say. In visual aids, it's magnify the words. Then you come auditory aids. Auditory aids, the person are able to listen, that is audio cassettes, CDs, voice boxes, computers, many things are there. Even electronic aids, you have seen calculators, talking calculators, they can able to do in that also, and computers, and so many electronic equipments are there that the person able to study from that. And the very most useful aids that you can say is tactual aids. Tactual aids, that means text is written in the form of raised dot, and as that text is written in the form of raised dot, this is being first found by Braille, that is Louis Braille. Louis Braille, and he has found a rectangular array in which there is a raised dot. And now when you close your eyes and just keep your fingers on this raised dot, you can easily able to understand which one is A, which one is B, that means which one is letter, and even which one is number. It is made like that, and by this, the script of this Louis Braille, which is known as Braille system, the blind people can even able to complete their graduate, postgraduate, and some of the are that blind people that they have got the prize also, Nobel Prize. They have written different novels, different books, and that is being published. People are reading this one. So students, we have completed our chapter, but one thing I want to say you, that nature has given us a very everything very good, and so don't misuse of these organs and make your sensitive organs useless. So please use effectively and do your work. Okay.